Atlanta United has claimed that MLS Cup.
Hopefully you weren't standing outside.
That's right. Good evening, everyone. I'm Deidre Dukes.
Hello and welcome, everybody. I'm Tom Haynes. Atlanta United just defeated the Portland Timbers in a game they led throughout. Let's get straight over to Fox 5's Ken Rodriguez, who joins us now here in studio. A championship win and on our home field, K-Rod.
I tell you guys, and watching it from beginning to end, the word that comes to mind is relentless. There was no tiptoeing around this game. They wanted it absolutely relentless. On the pitch and in the stands, Atlanta United kept the heat on Portland, reached out and grabbed the cup. They would not be denied, and in the process delivers to us our first major sports championship in 23 long years. An MLS Cup record crowd at Mercedes-Benz Stadium, and our viewing audience here at Fox 5 saw it all. Among them are Cody Chaffins. He joins us live from the Benz again. Cody?
Ken, the party continues here at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. I'll let our photographer pan around a little bit. I think they're trying to drag fans out of the building right now. They hadn't quite gotten there with the supporter section. There's still a huge contingent over there celebrating. Still have a lot of players on the field with their families throwing up the confetti. I see a lot of snow angels from the kids playing around. A lot of these players have been in the league. Guys like Jeff Larentowicz, who we've just talked to a little while ago, have been in this league a long time and wanted this for a long time, and finally getting to lift the MLS Cup, the beautiful trophy that they have off in the center of the field here. And talking to some of the front office guys just moments ago, and they said yes, they envisioned this would be a championship winning team, but even they admitted they didn't envision this being a championship winning team in 2 years. Take a listen to some of the celebration we've had. How crazy is this? What's happened here, what Arthur Blank has done in 2 years and gotten you guys to the top?
It's just been so quick, you know. He made the investment, he built the facilities, he's gotten the players, but that doesn't guarantee much, you know. I think that everybody put in the work, and it really feels like it's a championship to be shared with everyone.
And the celebration continues now in the Atlanta United locker room. They have the tarps up. It looks like every other major sports celebration in there, as they're going to have the champagne popping and going everywhere and a party commencing. And it feels good to have the champagne and the confetti falling for one of our teams again, K-Rod?
Absolutely. Tell the fans they can stay. Falcons are on the road tomorrow. No biggie. All right, Cody, once again, relentless. Atlanta United, in only their second year of play, reaches out and seizes the MLS Cup for the hometown supporters. Relentless, fast, physical. They came out on fire. All Portland can do is trying to get a little rough to try to slow them down. Gressel centered for Martinez. Martinez gets beat up a little bit. No call, amazingly. Here's some more pressure. Miguel Almiron, is it his last game for the Five Stripes? Look at this effort around the 13:50 mark of the first half. Attinella had to hustle to keep it out of the Portland net, but our guys kept charging. Around the 39-minute mark, they finally broke through. Portland gives it away. Martinez is there. Dekes Attinella, and calmly slips it past him for the 1-0 lead. We started smelling it then. Supporters were smelling blood as well. This was going to be a mere formality. Brad Gazan, brilliant and sharp in goal. Watch him as the Timbers get on the doorstep and try to even this thing up and cause some trouble for the hometown fans. Here he is, 3 big saves at this point. I counted another one in the second half. And he was outstanding. They call it a clean sheet. Portland never made it on the board. Five Stripes got another one in the second at the 53-23 mark. Franco Escobar gets behind the defense. 2-0. That's the final. Atlanta, our Five Stripes, our MLS Cup champions, our first professional sports title in 23 years. Go ahead, celebrate. We earned it. Justin Felder spoke with United goalkeeper Brad Gazan.
Here with Atlanta United goalkeeper Brad Gazan. And Brad, we hung out during the World Cup. I taught you some goalkeeping tricks. Do you want to give me the credit now or later?
I tell you what, it was all down to your teachers. So thank you.
Talk about your game. The 2 goals are going to get the headlines, but you had some key saves, including right after Joseph's goal.
Yeah, just trying to do your job. There's not many moments I've been called on to have to make saves or whatnot. These guys have been great in front of me, so to be able to help them out and play my part feels good.
All year long we've been saying, can they win the MLS Cup? Can they win the MLS Cup? What is it like to have done that?
It's huge. It's big for us as a team. It's big for us as a club, as an organization. But most importantly, it's big for the city, man. To be able to give this to the city. The fans have been fantastic. From day one when this was just an idea, and now after a year or two to be able to bring home an MLS Cup, phenomenal.
Speaking of those fans, as you look to your left, they're all still here. I mean, what does this group mean to you guys?
It's huge. Something about these playoffs, we just came together. We found a way to come together, found a way to up our game another level. It feels awesome.
What does it mean to do it for ours to play? Even hammered in the Golden Spike, you had the vision.
Like I said, it started with an idea way back when with him, and to be able to have it come to fruition and to be able to celebrate like this, have him lift the trophy, it's a huge credit to his vision, his belief in the city, in the sport, ultimately this team.
What's the last parade you were in?
Yeah, don't know. Excited. Let's get this thing going. Yeah, it's going to be special.
Get ready. You got a parade coming up. Brad Gazan, goalkeeper, MLS Cup champion. We're going to send it back to you guys in the studio.
All right, Justin, of course, the team, the coaches, and the staff aren't the only ones celebrating tonight. It's the fans. Let's get back to Mercedes-Benz Stadium, where Alexa Lianco has had quite a night. She survived the pre-match march, and now an MLS Cup championship at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Alexa, how are you holding up?
Oh, we are holding up fabulously. I've got some excited fans.
Soccer was going to thrive in this city. I mean, it's a sport that needed to come to this city. I don't know why people question that it wouldn't thrive here, you know? Everybody's waiting for real sport to come to this city. And look what's happened.
Two goals and Joseph Martinez, MVP of the night. I mean, what do you guys think of him? Awesome, amazing, right?
Awesome! MVP!
MVP! MVP! MVP! MVP! MVP! MVP! Well, as you can see here, we've got some excited fans. The stadium was absolutely electric. You cannot stop the energy here. People have been chanting. Nobody wants to leave. NTL! 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 It's so amazing. We had such a wonderful time. Every time the team scored, the place just lit up. And everyone's ready to party. The parade happening Monday at 10 a.m. and you can bet a lot of these people will be there. We'll send it back to you, but just an incredible night. And you can feel the happiness and the electricity in the air. We'll send it back to you.
Absolutely. That's what it's all about. The gear's starting to get passed around here at Fox 5, and we're told there is a sporting goods store at Lenox Mall that is staying open late so Atlanta United fans can get some MLS Cup championship gear. It's all in celebration of the big win. Fans will be able to buy all the gear they want, and if you're in the Atlanta area, have some time, why not? Employees say as long as people keep showing up, they won't be closing down anytime soon. All right, we got to keep you caught up tonight with game highlights and player interviews and fan reaction, both on the air and online. We'll be here for you. Tom, back to you.
All right, K-Rod, what a night for our Atlanta United. Congrats on a great victory tonight. Still to come.